Hey guys and gals, it's your boy JR aka Lone Wolf Bushcraft, and I am just chilling out by my Solo Stove Bonfire. Thank you guys and gals for tuning in. I appreciate when you guys and gals comment down on my videos. Right now I'm just enjoying my Solo Stove Bonfire. Hope you guys and gals are all doing well out there. Once again, thanks for tuning in to the Lone Wolf Bushcraft YouTube channel. Thank you guys and gals for commenting on my videos. Thank you for sharing my videos. And also thank you to my subscribers. So I appreciate all the subscribers who've been with me from the very start. And I also appreciate my new subscribers. They rock. And I got woods surrounding my house, so I'm listening to the sounds of the woods while also chilling out by my Solo Stove Bonfire. If you guys and gals are thinking about getting a Solo Stove Bonfire and you're on the fence, I've had this for I think a little over a year now, and I totally love it. So yeah, I think you'll be happy with your purchase. The Solo Stoves I have, of course, is this Solo Stove Bonfire here. I also got the smaller Solo Stove. And then I also have the Campfire Solo Stove. The ones I need to save up for, I think one's called the Ranger and the other one's called the Yukon. So the Solo Stove Bonfire, I believe, is 20 pounds, and the Solo Stove Yukon, I believe, is probably about 40 pounds, because it's about twice the size of a Solo Stove Bonfire. As you can see, you can throw really big logs inside the Solo Stove Bonfire here. And then I also got my tiki torches going there. This is a great way to enjoy a Saturday night. Just chilling out by the fire here. So comment down below the different places you guys have had campfires. And yeah, comment down below and let me know all the different places you've camped at. And all the different places where you've had a campfire. Comment down below in this video. So I'll talk to you guys and gals really soon. You guys and gals rock. Take care, guys and gals. Peace. Later, Gators.